Hi everyone, I'm Anand Krishna MP of CP01 trainee from D18 of NTTF Tellichery. So today I'm going to introduce you the basics of CNC lathe machine. In this short term, I'm going to explain what is CNC lathe machine, what are the types of CNC lathe machine, its major parts, advantages, disadvantages, applications, risks, and major costs of accidents. So CNC lathe machine. CNC is the abbreviated form of computer numerical control. It refers to a technology that uses computer programs and softwares to control the movement and operations of machines and tools. It is widely used in various industries for a precision and automation work. A computer program generates numerical codes that instructs the machine how to move, position, and perform specific operations on a workpiece. The machine reads these numerical instructions and translates them into precise actions and movements. This allows for a steady and accurate production of products, the different shapes, cuts, and designs. There are mainly two types of CNC lathe machines. First one, vertical axis turning machines, and second one, horizontal axis turning machine. In this slide, you can see two pictures. First one, it is an external picture. Second one, it is an internal picture. From this, you can understand the main parts of a vertical axis turning machine. First one, it's a lathe bed. The lathe bed is used to support the work table, and the work table is used to rotate the workpiece for specific operations. And the beam is used for the movement of x-axis, and the ram is used for the movement of z-axis, and the column is used to support both the wheel and the ram. A CNC vertical axis turning machine is used in heavy workpieces. There's a fixed spindle orientation in the vertical plane. The workpiece then spins up and down and arranged in straight line with the help of a cutting head. The workpiece is supported by a rotating table. The x-axis is driven by a precision ram which moves the cutter to the selected area. Next one, CNC horizontal axis turning machine. So here also you can see two pictures. One is an external picture. Second one, it's an internal picture. From here itself, you can understand which is the x-axis and which is the z-axis. In this horizontal axis turning machine, the spindle is horizontally oriented and the tools are mounted out of the side of tool holder and cut across the workpiece. Gravity pulls the chip away from the workpiece. Flat bed metal CNC lathe is widely used in industries for machining. It is mainly used for cutting inner and outer cylindrical surfaces of shaft parts of disc parts, inner and outer conical surfaces of random taper angles, cylindrical and conical threads, etc. It also performs grooving, drilling, expanding holes, reaming, and boring. Next one, the major parts of CNC lathe machines. There are 10 major parts in a CNC lathe machine. So we can introduce one by one. First one, hydraulic chuck. Second one, turret. Third one, tailstock. Fourth one, cross slide. Fifth one, pedal. Sixth one, operation panel. Seventh one, motorized lubrication unit. Eighth one, air compressor. Ninth one, digital power conditioner. And 10th one, cutting tools. So let's explain each one of them. First one, hydraulic chuck. The hydraulic chuck works in the principle of oil. This chuck gives constant pressure and motion to the movable jaw for clamping of workpieces. Therefore, this chuck helps to eliminate the overclamping and operator patting. Second one, turret. Turret is a part which holds and rotates the cutting tool. It is also known as a tool holder. More than 1 to 12 tools can be attached in a single turret. Third one, tailstock. A tailstock is used to support a long workpiece to avoid vibrating or jerking while any operations are doing. It is located opposite to the headstock. It is for ensuring that the workpiece remains securely in place during machining. Fourth one, cross line. It's a simple explanation. It is used for the movement of turret in X and Z axis towards the workpiece quickly and easily. Fifth one, pedals. Pedals are used to control the opening and closing movement of jaws. It is also used for the forward and backward movement of tailstock. Sixth one, operation panel. It is a major tool for operators to interact with the system. It consists of three main sections. First one, the power control area. Second one, the system control panel. And the third one, the machine tool control panel. Seventh one, motorized lubrication unit or ML. This is used to monitor the working status of lubrication unit every time. It is to ensure that the mechanical components of the lathe are well lubricated and to automatically adjust the oil supply and circulation time. Eighth one, air compressor. Air compressors are used in many functions, including transporting oil to the spindle bearing, activating tool change mechanisms, blowing chips and contaminants from tools and workpieces. Ninth one, digital power conditioners or stabilizers. These stabilizers or digital power conditioners protect complicated and valuable machines from the destructive surge and lightning. Tenth one, the major part, cutting tools. Cutting tools used in CNC lathe machines are mainly made up of titanium. Cutting tools of titanium have extreme hardness, strength, wear or heat resistance, extra. They are high speed suitable for rough and semi-finished machining and highly expensive. And the next part, advantages. A CNC lathe machine is highly accurate and reduce inspection. They produce less scrap and work. A semi-skilled worker can simply operate a CNC lathe machine. A design changing CNC lathe machine is very easy. It can also eliminate overclamping and operator fatigue. Next one, the disadvantages of CNC lathe machine. Maintenance and investment cost in a CNC lathe is very high. It requires more time to start up after power on, and this affecting the production time. Unwanted errors will occur while we are entering a program. Next one, the applications. CNC lathe machines are widely used in oil and gas industries, automotive industries, aerospace industries, medical industries, and electronics. Next one, the risks in CNC lathe machines. Chance of getting internal wounds are higher. Crushes or pinch points may happen. Injury in sites will occur. Deep cuts and scratches are also included as the risks in CNC lathe machines. Next one, causes of accidents in CNC lathe machines. Due to the operator error in programming and programming errors, there will be an accident in CNC lathe machines. Insufficient training and machine malfunctions are also a part of accidents in CNC lathe machines. Tooling issue and safety device failures are also there in accidents in CNC lathe machines. Next one, the conclusion. CNC machining is a perfect option for engineers in any industry looking for achieve high volume of accurate mechanical parts of rapid production. It reduces the labor work and hence highly efficient in manufacturing process. So that's it. I think everyone understood what I said today. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.